So in this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the Canvas appointments in order to set up slots for, let's say, the goal setting meetings or the pre and the post conference meetings. You can do this in Google Calendar as well. However, if you do it in the Canvas calendar, you can then use the messaging option to message any of your teachers who have or have not signed up for appointments. So let's take a look at how this works. So I'm going to go into the calendar and I can click anywhere, and once I click on there, I'm going to find that tab that says appointment group. I'm going to fill out each of the parts of here, the name, the location, be it a virtual meeting or not, any kind of detail that you want the teachers to see. So I'm going to fill this out right here with a few items, make sure that I'm putting it on the right calendar for the right course and putting in the details. And the most important part here is to set up the slots. So I'm going to pick out chunks of days. So I'm just going to pick a day from 8 to 4. And once I've done that, I'm going to click on Go for the 30-minute meetings. Now, if you want to buffer between meetings, you can set the appointments to either 35 or 40 minutes. And then I just tell teachers, your appointment is only for 30 minutes. I've just got a buffer there in case we run over or something like that. So either 30 minutes or whatever the appointment times are, and then you click on Go. When you click on Go, you will see that all of the calendar slots for that amount of minutes is all set up for you. If there are some times that you don't want, let's say you want lunch or you want a break, you have another appointment, just click on the X and it'll take that slot away from the availability. Okay, so I'm going to set up another day, a second day of appointments. And again, same slots, same times, and then I'll have a 3 sets of days with the calendars. So let's take a look at what that looks like on the calendar itself. And here you go. So here are all the appointment slots. Again, I can go back and remove any slots that I don't want. I'm going to add a few more slots for another admin who also is going to have appointments on a couple of other days. So I'm going to set that up. Same instructions. I've just got different names in there. So I would be letting my staff know if you've got me as an admin, pick my slots. If you've got so-and-so, then pick their slots. So same thing, make sure to click on Go so that it creates those slots for you. And now let's take a look at what that looks like. We're going to take a look now at what it looks like for the teachers to sign up for one of those slots. So they're going to go to the calendar and they're going to click on Find Appointments, and they're going to pick the course that would have any of those slots available to them. So in this case, we only have one course, and then all of the slots show up. They click on the time slot they want, make any comments if they want to, click on Go. They click on Close and they'll see their assignment or their appointment. Okay. And then for you as the administrator, you can see by clicking on each of those who has signed up. Now what I do is I do these chunks over in Canvas. I have good communication because it's in Canvas. And on my Google Calendar, I just block out the time. I don't even say who the appointments are going to be with, because I'll come back here to see who I actually have an appointment with. I just put it on my calendar as one big chunk of goal setting meetings, and I don't worry about the details of who is signed up for which time. I just come back to the Google Calendar, to the Canvas calendar, and just check. Sometimes what teachers have done, which is totally fine, they'll send me an appointment through Google Calendar so that they don't forget that they have an appointment, and then they invite me. And that works just fine. I'll just have a double booking, which is totally okay. All right. So now I have completed this. And I can see that the test student number 1 has signed up. I can send them a message. Again, I can decide who I'm going to send messages to. It could be everybody who hasn't signed up, or it could be with people who have signed up. And that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or chat me on Google Chat or text me at my cell phone. I hope to see you soon. Take care.